13 things your nails can tell you about your health. Usually, our body gives us signals whenever something isn't right. It's no different with our nails. For example, changes in color or appearance of our nails can suggest health problems. In today's video, we'll show you some nail changes and what they might mean. You've likely had a healthcare provider check your blood pressure, pulse, or listen to your heart. They can all give indications about your overall health. Here's another health indicator that you may not be familiar with: your fingernails. Changes in their appearance can be an indicator of a range of conditions. Here are some disease symptoms that can show up on your fingernails. Yellow or yellowish nails. Nails might become yellow when they thicken and their growth slows. Such an occurrence is called yellow nail syndrome. One of the most common causes of yellow nails is a fungal infection. As the infection worsens, the nail bed may retract, and nails may thicken and crumble. Nails often turn yellow after nail polish has been used for long periods of time. In rare cases, yellow nails can indicate a more serious condition, such as fungal infections, chronic bronchitis, lung disease, rare, diabetes, rare, psoriasis, rare, thyroid disease, rare. Dark lines beneath the nail. Dark lines beneath the nail should be investigated as soon as possible. They are sometimes caused by melanoma, the most dangerous type of skin cancer. Other causes of dark lines beneath the nail are more common and not dangerous. These include moles, trauma, and medication-induced changes. It's also common for people with darker skin types to have non-cancerous dark lines under the nails. Red streaks in the nail. This may be the result of several conditions, including trauma, psoriasis, fungal infection, heart valve infection, blood vessel inflammation, vasculitis. Bluish nails. Nails with a bluish tint can mean the body isn't getting enough oxygen. Bluish nails could also be a side effect from a drug you're taking or a sign of lung issue such as emphysema, heart problems, excessive silver consumption, bacterial infection of the nail, Wilson's disease, a genetic condition that causes high levels of copper in the body. White spots. Some studies report these stains are caused by a lack of vitamin or calcium. Some reports say that this problem can be solved by drinking a little more milk. Such blotches have a technical term. They're called leukonychia. They're more likely to appear after an injury to the nails, and can sometimes be just an allergic reaction to nail polish remover or a mild infection. Pale or white nails. Pale or white nails could mean you have a low red blood cell count. Pale or white nails is also known as Terry's nails. Your fingernails will naturally have white at the tips. However, if the whole nail is white or noticeably pale, this could be a sign of liver disease, such as hepatitis, low protein stores in the body, hypoalbuminemia, kidney failure, congestive heart failure, rare, diabetes, rare, anemia, overactive thyroid, malnutrition. Spoon-shaped nails. With this condition, the concave shape is so pronounced that it's possible to let a drop of water stay on the spoon of the nail. Additionally, the shape gives the impression that the nails are peeling off the sides of the finger. When the nails are shaped like a spoon, it can be a sign of cardiovascular or pulmonary problems such as bronchitis and asthma. This affects the circulation. It may also be a sign of anemia, hypothyroidism, or liver disease. Peeling, cracked, brittle nails. Brittle nails are another very common problem and can be a normal symptom of aging. If it's not the case with you, your nails may be brittle because they're always in soap and water. It can also be a sign of something more serious. It's very important to notice if there are other changes in the nails, such as color or thickness. Remember, often stress or some trauma to your nails can cause changes. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have a serious problem. Just watch for the signs and get help from a specialist if you notice something strange or unusual about your nails. If your nails become brittle or if they split repeatedly, this could reveal thyroid disease, psoriasis, repeated trauma, especially frequent contact with water, hand washing, dishwashing, bathing, etc. Medication side effects. When the cracking or splitting is accompanied by a yellow color, the cause could be a fungal infection. Ridges on the nails. rippled or pitted nails. Small pinpoint depressions of the surface of the nail often occur after trauma to the surface of the nail. Sometimes they occur in patients with particular types of hair loss and arthritis. They can also be associated with underlying skin disorders, including psoriasis, eczema. The direction of the ridges is important to notice. If the ridges are parallel to your finger, it may simply be a reflection of aging or chronic trauma, including repeat wet or dry cycles and contact with water. Ridges may also reflect a lack of vitamins or poor nutrition. If the ridges are across the nail, this could be a sign of diabetes, inflammatory arthritis, severe injury, past illness, or medication exposure. Nail lifting. This is when the surface of the nail, called the nail plate, separates from the underlying skin, called the nail bed. There are many causes of this, including medication side effects, psoriasis, fungal infection, trauma, pregnancy, thyroid disease. Nail clubbing. This happens when the tips of your fingers enlarge and the nails curve under the fingertips. This usually takes years to happen. This could be a sign of lung disease, inflammatory bowel syndrome, cardiovascular disease, heart disease, liver disease, thyroid disease, HIV, and/or AIDS. Puffy red nail fold. The nail fold is the skin at the base of the nail, where your nail grows from. This is often called the cuticle. This is known as inflammation of the nail fold. If your nail fold is puffy, this is due to inflammation. The most common cause of nail fold inflammation is a skin infection from bacteria, viruses, or yeast. Less commonly, this can happen because of lupus or other connective tissue disorders. Chewed nails. Biting your nails may be nothing more than an old habit, but in some cases, it's a sign of persistent anxiety that could benefit from treatment. Nail biting or picking has also been linked to obsessive compulsive disorder. If you can't stop, it might be worthwhile discussing this with your doctor. Did you find this video educational and entertaining? If you did, hit the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know other organic health cure topics you would like to see.